Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura and today I am headed to Ollie's as soon as my husband's done washing off the car, and we are going to see what kind of yarn they have. Come along, let's check it out. So as you can see, I didn't really find any good yarn at Ollie's. They had light blue yarn as far as the eye could see. What I did end up getting was this little box of note cards, which is really pretty. And these are the ones that are on the back that are in the box. And this was only $2.99, and it says regular price $35. I was like, $35 for note cards? I don't think I would ever spend that much money. I always like to have note cards on hand because you never know when you might need one. Ooh, this is such a beautiful box. Look at that. So let's open this up and see what they look like on the inside. Ooh, so perfectly packaged. And these look gorgeous. Let me just pull out this one. Now this is like a trifold card. Ooh, these are gorgeous. Oh, wow. It's a pop-up card. Oh, how cool is that? So that's really neat. So for $2.99, you can't beat that. And there's a few other ones, but I'm not going to show all of them today. And then I also got these journals. These are Woodstock journals because, you know, who doesn't love the 60s, right? And these are dot grid journals. And I thought these were kind of nice just to keep in your project bag or something like that if you wanted to sketch out your patterns or something like that while you're on the go. And this would fit really nicely into your bag. So I got 2 of those. And then I also, the only crochet thing that I found that I bought was this package of 3 crochet books. And it's like 3 little soft bound books. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And it was $5.99 for 3 of them. And it was regular $12.98. So let's see what is in here. So this one is crochet. Ooh, this one is crochet baby gifts. And that's really cute. And this has a lot of cute little patterns in here. Ooh, I love that blanket. That blanket's pretty. So this is nice. And then this one says crochet projects. This has some cute little projects in here. Look at that little owl. And then this is crochet tips and tricks. This might have some great ideas in here, and it teaches you some basic techniques and stuff like that. So that's not bad. So look in your local Ollie's book section, and you could find all 3 of these books for only $5.99. And hopefully you have more than just light blue yarn. So with that being said, that's my Ollie's haul, which isn't very big. And I just wanted to show you a couple of things that I got from Darn Good Yarn. I had my husband give me the subscription for Christmas, and it was just the cheapest subscription. I think it was $10, but it was $16 with shipping, which is kind of a lot because you only get around, I think it's a 50 gram ball. So this is what I got for February. And this is silk yarn. It's very, very pretty. But I don't know what to do with 75 yards of yarn. Like, can anyone give me an idea? What could I make with this little tiny bit of yarn? I'm not really sure. And then this is what I got from them for January. Now, Darn Good Yarn is a great company, but I just wasn't really sure what to do with such a small amount of yarn, and I thought $16 is kind of high just to pay for one little ball. So I did have him go ahead and cancel that subscription because, you know, it was too much money to spend for us right now. But I wanted to show you what we got. And if you have any ideas what I could make with these small little amounts of yarn, this is a 3 weight and this is 110 yards, and this is a 4 weight and this is 75 yards, but they're both 50 gram balls. But if you have any idea what I could make with this small amount of yarn, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to check me out every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time when I go live. And I hope to see you there. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.